या अगोदरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण व्हॉट इज द सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला अँड व्हॉट इज द मिडपॉइंट फॉर्म्युला याचं विचार डेरिव्हेशन केलेला आहे. आज आपण मिडपॉइंट ऑफ सेगमेंट हा पार्ट बघूया. See the first example. Find the coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points. 2 points are given. Coordinates of 2 points are there given. Let the first point A and second point B. We can draw the rough diagram for understanding. This is your first example. Let us try to solve this example. A coordinates are there, B coordinates are there. We have to calculate the midpoint of that segment. Let P is the midpoint of the segment. And if we consider P midpoint, you can see that use the formula x1 plus x2 upon 2. That is the x coordinate of P. So for understanding, use that x coordinate of point P by using x1. You can substitute here 22 and this is your second point. So x coordinate is 0 divided by 2 and you can say that 22 plus 0 is 22 and if you divide by 2 you are getting 11. Similarly, y coordinate of midpoint, you are taking x and y are the coordinates of P point and it is midpoint there. So y1 is 20. That is 20 and y2 is 16 divided by 2. What is the total? You can calculate. The total is 36 and divided by 2 you are getting 18. So write the further answer. 11 is x coordinate and it is 18. That is your final answer. The coordinates of midpoint are 11, 18. So first example, use of midpoint formula. Use of midpoint formula. You can see that what is the formula we are using. Now same formula, application of same formula, but interesting example is there. Segment AB is there and it is divided into 4 equal parts. We have to calculate the coordinates of points which divide the segment into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So consider rough diagram. Let AB is the segment there and see that PQR. There are 3 points which are dividing the segment into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So very interesting problem. You can see that first you consider point Q. You consider point Q. What about the point Q? Q A 1, 2 parts are there. Q B 2 parts are there. So definitely Q is the midpoint of segment AB. So you can start that. Let P Q R 3 points are there. They are dividing the segment into 4 equal parts. That is your first step. After that, remember that Q is the midpoint of segment AB. See that Q is the midpoint. Q is the midpoint of segment AB. You can use the same formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. That is midpoint formula. Consider you are taking that AB segment, so this is your x1. What is that x1? Substitute properly. Minus 14 plus x2. It is 6 divided by 2. That is the x coordinate of Q point. X coordinate of Q point. Q is the midpoint we are taking. Q is the midpoint of segment AB. So you take the difference. Opposite signs are there. Negative and positive. So what is that? Minus 8 divided by 2. It will be minus 4. You can see that minus 8 divided by 2 minus 4. Similarly calculate y coordinate of Q by using y1 plus y2. What is that y1 there? Minus 10 plus y2 is minus 2 divided by 2. Negative and negative together, negative, you are getting minus 12 upon 2, minus 6. So you are finding that coordinates of Q. You are getting the coordinates of Q now. What are the coordinates? Minus 4 and minus 6. These are the coordinates of point Q. Q is the midpoint of AB. Now interesting, you can see that AQ segment is there and P is the midpoint. So you start like that. What is that? P is the midpoint of segment AQ. Use the same formula. What is that? Coordinate, x coordinate of P, x1 plus x2 upon 2. You can see that what is the x1 there? Minus 14 plus minus 4 upon 2. So negative 18. Negative 18 upon 2. It is minus 9. Similarly, y coordinate of P point. Y coordinate of P point. What is that? It is midpoint. So same formula y1 plus y2 upon 2. What is y1 there? It is minus 10 plus y2 minus 6 upon 2 minus 16 upon 2. It is minus 8. So we are getting the coordinates of P point. Same method, you can see that you are finding the coordinates of P point. What are the coordinates of P point? Minus 9 and minus 8. We are calculating the coordinates of midpoint by using the proper formula. Now similarly, you can explain that R is the midpoint of segment QB. R is the midpoint of segment. So to calculate midpoint of segment QB, R is the midpoint. Again same formula. What is that? X1 plus X2 upon 2. Remember that this is Q, this is B. So minus 4 plus 6 upon 2. It is positive 2 upon 2. It is 1. Similarly, to calculate y coordinate of R point, what is that? Again, same formula y1 plus y2 upon 2. What is that? Y1 there, minus 6 plus y2 is, what is that? Minus 2 upon 2. So minus 6 and minus 2, minus 8 divided by 2. It is minus 4. So what are the coordinates of R point? 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. So we are finding the coordinates of Q point first step. After that, coordinates of P point second step. Coordinates of R point, that is the third step. Very interesting point. So what are the coordinates? You can write your answer. P point coordinates are minus 9, minus 8. Coordinates of Q are minus 4, minus 6. And coordinates of R are 1, minus 4. These are 3 points there. The points are dividing the segment AB into 4 equal parts. Very, very important problem. First, it is very simple for you. मध्यबिंदूचे निर्देशक शोधणे. दिलेल्या रेषाखंडाच्या मध्यबिंदूचे निर्देशक शोधण्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला कसा वापरायचा त्याचा प्रॅक्टिस आपण करत आहोत. x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is the x coordinate of that midpoint. y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is the y coordinate of that midpoint. मध्यबिंदूचे निर्देशक शोधायचे कसे? How to calculate the coordinates of midpoint of any segment. This is very, very important formula for you. And second one, very interesting problem for you. हा दुसरा प्रॉब्लेम रेषाखंडाचे 4 समान भाग करणाऱ्या बिंदूंचे निर्देशक शोधणे असा तो प्रश्न आहे. या प्रश्नाची तयारी चांगली करा.